Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Microsoft Word and create a new document now. This starts your work and protects it. Once Word launches, pick blank document or a template. Templates save time. Make sure to set page size and orientation before heavy formatting so layouts don't shift later. Save immediately using Ctrl+S. Choose a descriptive file name and folder. If you have OneDrive, turn on autosave to keep versions. This prevents data loss and makes collaboration simple. Next, structure content with styles. Use heading 1 and heading 2 so the navigation pane and TOC work correctly. Once organized, add visuals. Insert pictures, tables, or smart art and use wrap text options to avoid breaking lines. This keeps your layout stable when you edit. For collaborative editing, turn on track changes and add comments. This records edits and rationales. When you finish reviewing, accept or reject changes so the document reads cleanly. These steps reduce rework and maintain a professional look. To finish, run spelling and grammar and use read aloud to catch awkward phrasing. Hearing text reveals flow issues. Once done, set headers, page numbers, and update the table of contents, then export as PDF via File Export. Create PDF/XBS for sharing. Save a final copy to OneDrive for version history. If Word freezes or crashes, reopen it and check document recovery or auto-recover files. If recovery fails, look in %app data, %backslash/Microsoft/Word, or open unsaved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.